have something for you guys, something you've been waiting for, and I have them today. We know that we have been loving on the Janet collection crochet pre-twisted passion twist, right? But a lot of people were like, these are so cute, but they are way too long. I need a shorter length. Now, I showed you how you can cut yours and they don't unravel. That's cute. That's an option. But now they have an 18 inch, 18 inch, and I'm happy about it. I'm watching my ratchet TV while I'm doing this, so y'all know me. Y'all, I will be so glad when I am like healed and can take this band-aid off. Ugh, it just ruins it really does. And then you try to get the sheer ones and it just, I mean. This right here took me 18 minutes, 52 seconds. Let me wipe my screen, honey, because I just been touching on it. Can y'all see that? 18 minutes, 52 seconds. So 20 minutes slay. Come on, y'all. I'm giving y'all these quick slays out here in these streets. The one thing that I did differently this time than I did with the bomb twist for my slant braid, I wanted there to be more hair off to my left side than my right. So instead of on this braid having the braids fall to my right, I did it as if they were on this side. So it will fall to my left. So y'all, this is so cute. This is so cute. Man, couple little things that I'm going to do. Some people were saying that the tangling was so just super frustrating for them when they tried this hair. My experience was not like that. I had the regular tangling that would happen with synthetic hair. As you start to see it, like right now, it's, you know, just in there fresh. You got a bonnet at night, silk bonnets or silk pillowcases, things like that really matter as well. But when you start to see it, just pull. That's the one thing about synthetic hair. It's not hard to take away the frizzies, but if you don't do it, as soon as you see it, they attach to each other, they become big, they become messy. So as soon as you start to see it, just like when you lift it up, you'll start to see little pieces that are just connecting to each other. Just grab them, pull them. Do that again, grab them, pull them. Take literally 60 seconds and do that, and that's it. And then it'll flow just like this. But if you wait until the last minute to do it, it's going to be a headache and you're going to be like, it's just totally not even worth it. I'm taking it out. And honey, this is too cute. Okay, couple other things that are optional. Using mousse, I have brought two of my favorites. Y'all already know the first one, the Lotta Body Wrap Me foaming lotion. Y'all know I love this stuff, so we don't need to go there. But I found another one that's bomb. The Nairobi Rapid Shine foaming lotion. Now, I will say this is more expensive than the Lotta Body. I think I paid like $5 for the Lotta Body. The Nairobi is about $14 for this, but it's so good, you guys. Sometimes you just gotta you gotta do it. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Lotta Body. Some mousses are so nasty and sticky, y'all, and I have tried many of them. I cannot stand that feeling. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't know what it is about mousse, but the majority of them are like that. That's why I really rock with the two that I have. I've been rocking with Lotta Body, but this Nairobi, same thing. It's not nasty and sticky. I cannot stand that sticky feeling. I don't like it at all. I think this looks really nice. But I know some people like to do individuals around the perimeter. I too am one of them people who like to do that sometimes. You can do individuals around the perimeter if you want to do things like high ponytail, stuff like that. Speaking of Lotta Body, I have their Control Me Edge Control that I love. I'm telling Lotta Body need to put me on payroll, okay? Because I use all their products. Shampoo, conditioner. I really, it's not a game over here with Lotta Body. It's not a game. So, what I'm going to do is just give me some action right here. And this is just a spoolie, like a brow spoolie. I do have a edge, what do you call it, like edge brush thingamabobber but I don't use it. I love this spoolie. I'm gonna just get my edges together real quick. I'm gonna have to touch up my makeup right there too. And like I said, this is optional, guys. By all means, honey, you can leave your edges alone, because I don't want y'all coming, why people always gotta swoop their edges? Probably just because they want to, honey. Because they want to, boo. That's it. That's the only reason I do it. Ooh, my nickel bag lady. Because you like it, make it better. Okay. Thoroughly impressed. 20 minutes and bam, you're done. You are done. Of course, I'm going to have pictures and stuff to show you the full length. But yes, honey, yes. I like the 18 inches. I do like the 18 inches. Again, they have like the water wave ends. You can snip that off if you want. And it will be, it will probably take it to about 16 inches. Yeah, I might do that and see. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Y'all know I don't be knowing. So yes, honeys, let me know if you have any questions, you guys. You just have to check your local beauty supply store. Check the online stores. I'm sure it is going to go quickly. So y'all get on this hair, okay? Get on it. I like it, y'all. If you have any questions, let me know. Y'all make sure that you are following me on my social media. I can't say that enough because I have a lot of announcements to make and I think you guys want to know them. Okay. All right, y'all. Peace, love, and light.